Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Vlad, I'm from Area VAXLY agency, and today I'm excited to guide you through an incredible spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached house located here in Calpe, Spain. This show house is under the reservation, but we got a beneficial opportunity for our clients to tour this house and show you what will be your future home. This semi-detached house has 130 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, own backyard, communal paddle court and swimming pool, and the price is 465,000. Let's start our tour from the ground floor. The ceilings in this semi-detached house reaching 3.3 meters, and look at these huge windows. The high ceilings and these huge windows make this space feel open and comfortable. On our ground floor, we have a spacious living room connected with the kitchen. The kitchen comes fully applied with everything you need. Here we have a dishwasher, microwave, oven, fridge, freezer, everything you need to comfortable living here. Also, in the living area, we have a corridor which leads to guest bathroom, and also the developer smartly placed the place for the washing machine. Also guys, stepping out of our living area, we are reaching to the spacious outdoor terrace where your family can enjoy their time outside, and also, for example, you can host a barbecue here without any problems. Also, the developer planted palm trees next to each house, which leads to have more Spanish waves every day in your own backyard. Now guys, let's go on our second floor to see our 3 bedrooms. Here, our first bedroom. This room has a solid size and complements with hidden wardrobe, sliding window and private terrace. Here we have our second bedroom, which has a hidden wardrobe as well. And guys, take a look on these spectacular Spanish views. Also, the second floor has guest bathroom with all essentials. And now guys, take a moment to appreciate the master bedroom, which has the hidden wardrobe, own bathroom, and also plenty space for your customization. Also guys, the master bedroom has a spectacular view on your own backyard and also incredible views with the Spanish panorama. Now let's check out the third floor. The rooftop terrace is the perfect spot to have a time with your family here, and also I want to highlight that our location, our position is higher than our neighbors. That means that we have additional privacy here. During the touring of this spectacular semi-detached house, I found out a lot of benefits, and I decided to do another separate blog to illustrate all of these benefits. First benefit is that this house has its own aerothermia system, which means this system can heat the water to use this water in the underfloor heating or air heating. Also, on the rooftop terrace, I found the empty space, a lot of empty space, where you can install the solar panels to get more efficient house. Second benefit is that this house has underfloor heating on the first and second floors, and believe me guys, you will not find this feature in many houses in Spain. The third benefit of this semi-detached house is the price. Guys, if you do research of the property market of Calpe, you will find that the price for this semi-detached house competitively compared to prices for apartments in Calpe. Another benefit is that this urbanization is still under construction. That means that you will not need to pay full amount for this semi-detached house. VAXLY will negotiate with the developer your own payment plan, which will be convenient for you. Additionally, fourth benefit of this house is that each room has a hidden ventilation system, which is very convenient. Fifth benefit of this urbanization is features of this urbanization, which are padel and swimming pool. Another thing is a huge swimming pool, and you will be not obligated to maintain this swimming pool only from your own pocket, like owners of private villas do that. Huge benefit of this urbanization is the area. Guys, this house located in Altenbach area, which is first, it is very convenient to live here because you are in very close distance to all city infrastructure. Another benefit is that this area very popular for tourists because in 20 minutes you can get to Calpe seaside with the beaches, with the restaurants, and tourists, they don't need to have a car to get there. So if you are in the west and you can be confident that your house will be always rented out. Last benefit is that this semi-detached house has its own parking unit, and this parking unit is covered. Another thing is this urbanization has a lot of parking units which you can use for your guests, for example. So guys, in conclusion, I want to say that if you want to get a brand new 3-bedroom semi-detached house here in Calpe, in closest to all city infrastructure, and you don't want to buy your own house because then you need to maintain a lot of different things which are money and time, or you don't want to buy apartments for the same price and finally get less space, less features, and or you are an investor and you just want to get a maximum from your investment and to have fully rented out property, I think for all of you this property will be a perfect option. In the description to this video you will find all necessary links for our social media, for website, and if you want to get more information about this property or another property, just let me know. Subscribe to our channel to be updated about all new listings in Costa Blanca. Thank you for joining me today. Nos vemos!